Hello, today we will guide you through how to generate Cloudflare API token. To begin, open Cloudflare and make sure you are on the domain's overview page for your account. This is a good starting point because it confirms that you're already signed in and inside the correct Cloudflare dashboard. If you manage multiple services or websites, taking a moment to confirm you're in the right account can help avoid confusion later. Once you're on the overview page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This is where Cloudflare places your personal account settings and management options. If you don't immediately see it, look for the small profile menu in the upper right area of the dashboard. After opening that menu, click on Profile. This will take you away from the main domains area and into your account settings. The Profile section is where you can manage user-level settings, including security-related options like API access. From the Profile page, click on API Tokens. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing tokens that allow secure access to Cloudflare without using your main account login. API tokens are often preferred because they can be scoped to limited permissions, which makes them safer and more controlled for integrations and automation. Once you're in the API tokens section, click on Create Token. This opens the token creation area where Cloudflare gives you several options depending on what kind of access you need. If you're following a setup guide from another tool or platform, it may recommend a specific token type or permission set. Next, click on Use Template. Templates make the process easier by pre-filling common permission settings for popular use cases. This helps reduce mistakes and saves time, especially if you're not creating a fully custom token from scratch. Be sure to choose the template that matches the task you're trying to complete. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Cloudflare will guide you through the remaining setup, such as reviewing permissions, choosing which resources the token can access, and confirming the creation. Take your time during this part and carefully check the permissions before finalizing. In general, it's best to grant only the access that is actually needed. After the token is created, Cloudflare will display it for you to copy. Make sure to store it somewhere secure, since you may not be able to view the full token again later. That's it. You've successfully gone through the process of generating a Cloudflare API token.